Assalamu alaikum. I am Anisur Rahman.
Walaikum Assalam. I'm Saidul Islam. Thank you, Anisur Rahman. Anisur Rahman, how many types of coffee?
There are four types of coffee: Arabica, Robusta, Librica, and Excelsa.
You know what is a barista?
Barista create and serve hot and cold coffee, espresso, tea, and other beverages.
What is an espresso?
Espresso is the one kind of strong black coffee which make with high pressure hot water and finely ground coffee beans add together.
How many types of coffee roasting?
There are four types of coffee roasting: city roast, medium roast, dark medium roast, or dark roast.
How to make high quality coffee?
High quality coffee. The types of coffee we are using: coffee vertical size, water temperature, coffee to water ratio, contact time.
Please can you tell me some coffee name?
Coffee names: espresso, doppio, longo, noiste, americano, cappuccino, latte, flat white, piccolo latte, red eye, American filter coffee, coffee V60, uh, hot mocha, Spanish latte, cappuccino more foam, or latte less foam, cappuccino less milk, or latte more milk.
How to make hot B60?
Coffee beans 20 gram and hot water 300 ml.
How to make cortado?
Double shot espresso and 60 ml steam milk.
Do you know latte in coffee?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Latte in coffee.
You know macchiato?
Yes, I know
Okay.
Macchiato.
Now you make one espresso, make one espresso macchiato, make one hot B60, and make some latte art with coffee.